All right, so suppose that the base year for our measurement of the aggregate price level happens to be the year 2015. Right? So the base year is 2015. Now, of course, an immediate implication of that is that the value of our price index that represents the aggregate price level uh, in the year 2015 is equal to 100, right? That's always the case, right, by definition. Right? And now let's suppose that we have the nominal GDP level for the year 2013, and we know that it's $2,400, and we also know that the value of the price index in 2013 happens to be 60, right? And so what we want to do is find out what is the value of real GDP given all this information in the year 2015, and that's going to be denominated in dollars from 2015, right? So real GDP in dollars from 2015, we can calculate that as such, right? So we take nominal GDP from 2013, right? So this is, again, this is real GDP for the year 2013. It's just denominated in dollars from the year 2015, right? So we take the nominal GDP for the year 2013, and we divide out the prices by dividing by the price index for 2013. And then we compensate for that by multiplying by the prices from 2015, right? So that's how we basically switch from going from prices from 2013, which is what nominal GDP is, to prices from 2015 in order to get this calculation of real GDP for 2013 denominated in prices from the year 2015. Right? And of course, we know all these values here in this formula, right? Nominal GDP is $2,400 in 2013, and the price index in 2013 we know is 60. And we figured out that since 2015 is the base year, the value of the price index in 2015 is 100. And so we have all these numbers here. So it's $2,400 divided by 60 multiplied by 100. And when you do the math, you find out that that's $4,000, right? So we see that real GDP in 2013 is $4,000 denominated in dollars from the year 2015, right? So notice the contrast between the nominal GDP in 2013 and the real GDP for 2013. You can see that the real GDP is higher, and the reason for that is because the dollars in 2015 are not worth quite as much as the dollars from 2000. The dollars in 2015 are not worth quite as much as the dollars from 2013, since there has been quite a bit of inflation, right? Since the price index has gone from 60 to 100, that is, that's 2/3 inflation basically in the matter of a couple of years. So that's pretty high inflation, and that's why the GDP level for real GDP happens to be so much higher than the nominal amount, right? Okay, as always, thank you for watching.